What's up guys, your boy Big A here coming at you with another video. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. I want to start this video by sending a huge shout out to my boys Collections Toys and Skip Diecast. I worked out a trade with both of them and I'm very happy with what I got. So let me start by showing you what I traded for with Collections Toys. So Collections Toys was in need of these two guys, and I was in need of these two guys. I couldn't find these two guys for the life of me. So Collections Toys, thank you very much for hunting these down for me, man. I really appreciate it. Now Collections Toys also sent me a bonus car. He sent me this cool Volkswagen Zamac for 2021. So thank you very much for sending me this, bro. I really appreciate it. I haven't found a Zamac out in the wild for quite some time, so thank you very much. I also sent Collections a bonus car. I sent them the much scalped Bugatti, the blue one that came out back in 2019 if I'm not mistaken. So Collections Toys, thank you very much for agreeing to the trade, brother. Your cars are in the mail and you should be getting them by Wednesday or Thursday of next week. Now let me show you what I traded for with my boy Skip Diecast. So I traded one of my awesome Shelby Cobra 427 SC Super Treasure Hunts in exchange for this awesome Mazda RX-7. Skip Diecast, thank you very much for agreeing to the trade and for agreeing to meet with me, bro. I really appreciate it. I hope we could work out some more trades in the future. This casting is definitely one of the supers I was after for 2021, and Skip Diecast, you made it happen for me, man. I really appreciate it. But wait guys, there's more. Skip Diecast also hooked me up with this awesome Matchbox Lamborghini Centenario. I couldn't find this guy for the life of me, man. I looked and just never found it. So Skip Diecast, thank you very much for hooking me up with this car as well. And he also hooked me up with this awesome 1969 Dodge Coronet Super B. Check this out, guys. This car is awesome. You guys know I'm a big fan of the Dodge brand, so this car is definitely right up my alley. So once again, Skip Diecast, thank you very much for agreeing to the trade and for hooking me up with such awesome castings. We agreed to meet at a Target in Santa Ana, so I really appreciate Skip Diecast agreeing to meet with me there. That is awesome, and I definitely look forward to working out some more trades with you, brother. It was fun. So anyways, guys, Skip Diecast got there a few minutes before I did, and understandably so, he went to go check out the Hot Wheels section. Unfortunately, there were no main lines on the pegs. I think he only found the regular Pagani Huayra, the gold one, and the card wasn't in the best shape either, but he took it anyway. But we did find a full set of this awesome Hot Wheels Car Culture Modern Classic set. He said he already had a full set, so he was nice enough to let me take it. So Skip Diecast, thank you very much for being such an unselfish collector and for allowing me to take a full set for my collection. So check this out, guys. This is the awesome Nissan 300Z Twin Turbo. It comes in a beautiful yellow color, black interior. It's got the split moonroof. It's got some nice detail on the back and on the front as well. Very cool casting. The second car of the set is this awesome 1992 BMW M3. It comes in a beautiful black color, black interior. It's got some chrome wheels. Check out the taillight and plate detail. Very nice. You could also see the BMW badge just above the plate on the center. Very cool. It's got a pretty cool spoiler. And check out the detail on the front, guys. Very cool. The third car of the set is this awesome 1998 Honda Prelude. Check this out, guys. This car is rocking a cool silver color, black interior. It's got some gray wheels. Check out the back detail. It's got some cool taillight detail, plates, and you can see the badge right between the taillights. It also has a cool little spoiler. Let's check out the detail on the front, guys. Check that out. Very cool casting. The fourth car of the set is this awesome Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution VI. As you can see, it's rocking a cool blue color, white wheels, black interior. So let's check out the details on the back, guys. You can see that the taillights are well done. You can also see that the license plate number is nicely done. You can barely see the Mitsubishi badge just above the plate on the center. Very cool. It's also rocking a cool little spoiler. And let's check out the front really quick. Check this out, guys. It's got some cool headlight detail as well. Very cool. The last car of the set is this awesome Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. So this car is rocking a cool red color. It's got some great 5-spoke wheels. Check out the details on the back, guys. Check out the taillight detail and the license plate detail. Very, very cool. And let's check out the detail on the front. Very, very cool. Alright guys, so that was my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which of these 5 castings is your favorite of the set. You guys take care. God bless. Happy hunting. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.